Do you believe there are no mistakes? If you said yes, that's great, but I don't believe you. Here's why. If I speak to a group of about 100 people and ask them the same question, almost every hand would go up in the air. But yet when I say, keep your hand up only if you feel you've never made a mistake, every hand goes down. In our coach certification program, and in particular, our Life Potentials training, we actually prove that there are no mistakes, that you can't make one. Think about the difference, because it's one thing to believe something conceptually, and it's another thing to walk the talk and live it as truth. So what would it mean to you if you really believed there was no mistakes? To me, that's freedom. So as a reminder, I'm going to go over the principles that are in energy leadership. I'd like you to think about each of these as I go through them and ask yourself a very important question. What would it mean to me, to my life, to the people in my life, if this principle was absolutely truth? The first one is, life offers neither problems nor challenges, only opportunities. You see, some people get overwhelmed by problems. Other people get motivated by them. But yet some people who are high conscious actually don't believe in problems. They only see opportunities. Think about that. What a way to live if no matter what you were presented with, you saw it as an opportunity. In fact, being able to do that is probably the most important key to success. The answers to all questions lie within. Each one of us is greater and wiser than we appear to be. Think about what it would feel like to actually trust the people around you, to know that they had the answers within them. And what would it mean to truly be able to trust yourself? Each moment describes who you are and gives you the opportunity to decide if that's who you want to be. You see, most people beat themselves up over the past. If that's you, consider this. Today, you're just a printout of everything you've experienced to this point. Instead of worrying about that printout, trying to correct the past, or feeling guilty about it, choose today who you want to be tomorrow. That's a choice you have. The greatest freedom is the freedom of choice. I know it doesn't feel that way sometimes, but we always have a choice. When people feel like they don't have a choice, they remain imprisoned and at the effect of life. Detached involvement. This is the ability to be a participant and observer in your life at the same time. I really want to hear from you about your experiences. Contact me at ipeccoaching.com.